Hey y'all, hope I'm not too late. We was having a pretty good lightning thunderstorm come through. I was out at the store and I'm like, I gotta get home so I can record this. Ooh. Y'all know I'll be liking these storms. Cool. The rain has settled down, but it was really a hard rain. We're under tornado warning. Kind of got chilly today. Wind blowing. I'm gonna step out here a little bit. Oh, wow. That was a good one. I don't know why I like the rain and the storms so much, but it makes me feel good. Makes me feel better. It's weird, I guess. I'll wait just a little bit longer, then I'll go. What are you doing, Fancy? Alright, y'all. I guess that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed. Talk to you later. Bye.